my friends invited me to go fishing on the Black River. Fishing? This was definitely something new for me. I've never gone fishing before, so I was a bit nervous. I didn't know quite what to expect, but my friend said it was okay because some of the others were new to it too, and that made me feel a lot better. I hear people fish the Black River all the time, so I figure, why not give it a try?
Moonchild, staring at the sky. Heaven only knows what you're dreaming of tonight. And the skyline is a fading light.
You can do so many things on the Black River. It's really a special place. Whitewater rafting and kayaking are very popular, and the Black River offers some of the best rapids in the country. Not to mention, it's just so beautiful and scenic. Plus, it's one of several major rivers that flow into the gorgeous Lake Ontario, which I guess is one of the reasons people go fishing on this river. My friend loves being on the Black River, and he tells me you can catch everything from smallmouth bass to huge salmon. I really don't know the difference, but it doesn't matter. I've never caught anything before, so I'm just happy to be out here, learning how to fish, having some fun, and keeping my line from getting tangled.
Moonchild, staring at the sky. Heaven only knows what you're seeing in your mind. And the skyline is a fading light. But it seems like the stars ain't never shine so bright.
Wow, no texting, no computers, no drama, just my friends and the river. To be on a boat fishing the Black River is so laid back and fun. This was not what I was expecting at all. It's really cool to have friends who will take you out fishing and share a beautiful day like this. I guess this is the reason why people come to the river.
But it seems like the stars ain't never looked so bright. But it seems like the stars ain't never shine.
Although I was having a great time, the point of going fishing is to actually catch some. And it can be a real surprise when you think you have a fish on your line, but sometimes you don't always catch fish. And in my case, I was the one who was getting caught and not the fish. Fortunately, my friends were having a little better luck than me. Even though the smallmouth bass were not the largest you can catch on the river, it was still exciting and a lot of fun. I always thought fishing was something other people did. I never imagined myself out on the water fishing. This is totally my thing now. I can't believe I've been missing out on all of this. And the next time I come to Black River, I'm definitely catching a fish or two. But even if I don't, I'll at least be with good friends, having a great time, and enjoying another beautiful day on the waters of New York.